Hello everyone, I am Mayank Arora, Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication Department in Technical Institute of Advanced Study. Today I deliver a lecture on a topic of public relation, the needs of public relation and importance of public relation. Public relation is the deliberate, planned and sustained efforts to establish and maintain mutual understanding between an organization and its publics. Institute of Public Relations USA need for public relations. Investing in public relation activities help the organization to achieve its objective effectively. An organization false image cannot sustain for a long period, therefore its PR does not tend to create a good image for a bad team. Even if the product or services of the organization are good, it will still need and effective. Public relation campaigning for attracting, motivating the public. The organization will gain the involvement of the public and will result in a better image. Public relation activities, if properly done, can create and build up the image of an individual or an organization or a nation. When the organization faces crisis, public relation can create mutual understanding between the organization and public by removing misunderstanding. Now, components of public relation. Public Relations Society of America has identified follow the components of public relation. The first one, counseling. Focus on the advisory role of PR. Example, role to advise management regarding policies, programs and on how to maintain relationship and build on mutual understanding, rapport and goodwill. The second one, research. Research is the backbone of all PR activities. It begins with identification of public, then determining the attitude and behavior of publics, then designing of PR message, keeping 5W and 1H in mind, selection of media. Basis of penetration, reach, accessibility and exposure, the disseminating the message and evaluating it. Example, pre-testing, concurrent testing and post-testing. The third one, media relation. It is used for seeking publicity via mass media and as well as responding to their interest in the organization. Example, providing them with the content which is newsworthy. The last one, publicity. Simply means disseminating planned messages using appropriate media for the interest of the organization. The next one is employee relations. Simply means for testing good employees relationship by keeping them informed, showing concern towards them and motivating them in order to attain the goals of the organization. The next one, community relation. It is an activity undertaken to strengthen the bond between the organization and community, thereby maintaining an environment for mutual benefit between the two. The next one, public affairs, deal with the development of public policy so as to help organization to adapt expectations of public. The next one, governmental affairs, it relates directly with legislatures and regulatory agencies on organizations' behalf. Lobbying is an activity under government affairs program. The next one, issues management, diagnosis and solving issues of public concern that affect the organizations. Financial relations. This deal with developing and maintaining the confidence and relationship between the financial community. Therefore, it is also known as investor relation or shareholder relation. The next one, industry relations. This deal with relating with other firms in the industry and with traded association. The another one, development or fundraising. It involves encouraging the public to support an organization financially. The multicultural relations or workplace diversity. It deals with maintaining relationship with individual and group in various cultural settings. The next one, special events. It often stimulates interest in a person, organization, product by means of a focused happening. All these activities are designed to interact with publics and listen to understand them. The next one, marketing communication. Marketing communication combines of exercise which are designed to sell idea, service or product. These may incorporate advertising, special events, collateral material, trade shows, publicity, direct mail promotion. I hope you understand my lecture. So like, comment and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you all.